Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm yet again back with another how-to video. Today I'm going to teach you how to sign up for your AOL mail. So first of all, open up your AOL mail. On the top left corner, you will see sign in. Click on sign in. Allow AOL to sign in. Click on continue. You will then come across a sign in page. Since you're trying to sign up for AOL mail, press on create an account. Now you will have to fill in necessary information in order to sign up for AOL account. Begin by filling in the details of your first name and last name. Now AOL will suggest you some email addresses. Choose any that is favorable. Create a strong enough password. Then choose the country of your residence. After you're done choosing the country of your residence, make sure that you enter your mobile phone number. Your mobile phone number is important for verification purposes. Now after that, you will have to enter your year, month, and day of birth. Choose your gender, press on continue. Now it's time for you as a user to prove that you're not a robot. In order to keep up with the processes to sign up for your AOL mail, make sure that you do the necessary by proving that you are not a robot. While you do all of these steps, you're verifying yourself, and this is how you'll be proven that you're not a robot. Click on continue. You have to yet again verify that it's your phone number, so allow AOL to send you a verification code. AOL will then text you a verification code. Enter the verification code. Click on verify. After clicking on verify, wait till your page loads. After a certain time, you will now land on a page where you will be informed that you have been signed up for your AOL mail account. And here you have it, your very own AOL mail account. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.